This is a question which has often been asked by a lot of persons, by a lot of my clients, by a lot of other fellow practicing lawyers as to what is the connection between the maximum and minimum imprisonment sentence as proposed in the IPC offence and it being cognizable, bailable, non-bailable or non-cognizable. So to begin with, let me first clarify that there is no specific contours of it. There is no specific numbers as to what is the minimum imprisonment which will make it a non-bailable offence, or what is it the maximum imprisonment which will make it a bailable offence or a non-bailable offence. It essentially and completely is guided by the first schedule of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Now, the first schedule of the Code of Criminal Procedure specifically lays down for every offence the punishment, the fact whether it's a cognizable or non-cognizable offence, the fact whether it's a bailable or non-bailable offence, and by which court that particular offence is supposed to be tried. So I believe it is very important for all the law students and the litigators to lay a lot of emphasis on the first schedule to understand the exact nature of the offence and whether it's bailable, non-bailable, cognizable or non-cognizable. Broadly speaking, the offences which are non-cognizable and generally offences which are non-cognizable are also bailable, whereas cognizable offences are usually non-bailable, but again with their own set of exceptions. Generally, bailable offences are offences which are carrying maximum sentence of 2 or less years, and non-bailable offences are offences which are carrying maximum sentence of 2 or 3 and above, 3 years and above. So, but again, this is not a thumb rule. You have to be guided by the schedule. But broadly speaking, the threshold is 2 to 3 years of imprisonment. Any offence which is carrying less than 2 to 3 years of imprisonment will be categorized as a bailable and a non-cognizable offence. And on the other side, anything which is more than 2 to 3, any offence which carries more than 2 to 3 years of maximum imprisonment will be a non-bailable and a cognizable offence.